Organizations struggle when they don't have a common language and a frame of reference. They incur massive waste when missteps and rework are created when we think we're all talking about the same thing and we're not. When we assume that basic things like people's roles, meeting agendas, documents, and processes will contain specific things that are crucial, and they don't. That's why it's critical to understand the fundamental concepts of service management. And grasping key concepts isn't just about learning the language. It's also about learning a shared framework for what practices and artifacts should exist and what they look like when they're in a desirable state. For example, when you visit a soccer stadium, you expect to see a field, seats, concession stands, referees, balls, goals, warm-ups, players playing, coaches coaching, and so on. If you don't see these things, or you see them and they're inadequate, it's a problem. The value of service management frameworks is that they highlight what should be there and what good looks like, what you should see in an IT environment, these artifacts, these practices, these metrics, and so on, the things that should be present and adequate. That's why you must, as an IT professional, learn the key concepts of service management. Without them, you do yourself, your team, and your organization a disservice. And with them, you can exponentially increase the value you add.